No more. Okay,
Okay,
no
so
more.
basically, so the other video was cropped out. So let me do this again with a little bit like with friends.
Yeah, we're gonna help you, Norman.
Um, that girl is named Boogie.
He's lying. He lies to kids.
What? No, 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 no. Okay, anyway, so basically in this video, I'm gonna teach you all about the properties of equality. So we can solve variables. So the reflexive property is basically a property which says that every real number is equivalent to itself. So here's some examples. So mx is equal to mx. And also 23 is equal to 23.
That's what she said.
So symmetric property is basically you can interchange it. Here, you can if it's addition and multiplication, you can interchange it because it does not matter on what side the other thing is. But if it's
That's like you
division,
can interchange my eyebrows.
but if it's multiplication, I mean division and subtraction, you won't be able to like interchange it because the value would be different. But you can interchange like this. You can change C to the other side and A plus B could be on the other side. So you would know how to like because usually when you're gonna solve, the variable should be on the left side and the constant should be on the right side. Okay, transitive property.
Let's
It's
move to our
basically
favorite property, the trans property.
so basically transitive property like so A plus B is equal to C and C is equal to D. So that means A plus B equals to D because they all of them have the same value. So you can say that they're all equal. Or also here, 1 plus 2 equals 3 and 3 equals 4 minus 1. Since all of them have the same value, you can say 1 plus 2 equals 4 minus 1.
Chicken jockey.
Don't mind that, guys.
Remix.
Any questions? Any questions?
No, Mr. Norman.
So in addition property or any other operation property, if you add a number or a variable to one side, you have to add it to the other to to be equal. So here, a plus 3 equals b. Then a plus 3 plus 2 equals b plus 2 because we should add on each side. If we added 2 in a plus 3, then that means we should add 2 to the other side. So we should add plus 2 to b. So it will still
Vitamin
be
B.
equal. So in subtraction property of equality, it's just like addition but you're doing subtraction. If you if you subtract if you subtract a plus b, oh wait, if you if you subtract d with b, you should also subtract d by c.
Yeah, it's basic math. Get it right.
So in multiplication, it's just like subtraction and addition, but you just multiply like a pattern. So A plus B equals C, and then if you multiply D to A plus B, you should multiply D to C too. Okay, so um people are in this chat. Please like tell me what could be the give me an example of a division property.
You divide.
I know.
Okay. Okay, let's just make it A plus B. Okay, if A plus B equals C, then A plus B over 3 equals C over D. No, over 3.
Wow!
Okay,
Ato,
so
refresh
substitution
Ate
property,
ko let you,
also known as
Norman.
replacement property, which means it's basically transitive property, but instead of changing the entire equation, like here A plus B equals D, you would only change one part of the equation, like here. So SD equals N and S equals B. So we can change S by B because they're both the same. So then B times D equals N. Or also here, so 3 times 4 equals 12. Also, 3 can also be 12 divided by 4. Then 12 over 4 times 4 equals 12.
Hello.
Since they have the
Hello.
same value, you can replace one another if they have the same value.
Hello.
So now let's
Hello.
do a quick review. So reflexive property means you can
I
the
have a
number is
question. I have a question.
okay. What's the question?
My question is, why are you laughing?
What did you
I
say?
mean, I said, okay, you actually hear my voice, like voicing her.
What did you say?
Then you actually hear it.
Can you hear him?
Then
I'm,
can you hear it?
this is so creepy. Okay, anyway, so reflexive property is a real number is equal to itself. So
Hello.
like
That's
23 equals
crazy.
23.
That's so
Symmetric
crazy, bro.
property, you can
Like
interchange stuff
literally the
and
most
it will
professional thing
still
you've
be
ever
equal
said.
to itself.
Yeah.
So A plus B equals C is still equal to C equals A plus B.
Hello.
So transitive property is basically like replacing one thing for another because they're both equal to each other. So basically here, 1 plus 2, like here, 1 plus 2 equals 3. And 3 is equal to 4 minus 1. So we can change 3 with 4 minus 1. So we can do that. So 1 plus 2 equals 4 minus 1. And the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is basically all the same. Okay, let's go solve a question. So here. So here, A plus 2 equals 3. So the first thing you should do is we should do subtraction property. But I think I should prepare the transposition, which is
Yeah, he likes the trans people.
most of us know how to transpose. So here, A plus 2 equals 3. So to transpose is to find the inverse of addition. The inverse of addition is subtraction.
Oh my god, wrong.
Subtraction. So you can put plus 2 to the other side, but it will become minus 2. So A equals 3 minus 2. So we
Excuse
can
me, sir.
what?
Can we take a break? I'm hungry.
No.
Why? It's lunchtime.
He wants to starve
You can
you.
eat. You can eat. You can eat. Anyway, if you want to check if your answer is correct, you can just do this. You should replace A with 1. So because it's equal to 1. To check if it's correct, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Correct.
Correctamundo. That's the right.
Okay, let's solve another question. X minus 12 equals 17. So in transposition
No,
method,
it's not.
we can transpose minus 12 to plus 12,
Wait,
which
can you
is
hear my soundboard?
yeah, I'm
My
ignoring it.
God, no!
So
No!
it would be like minus 12 would become plus 12 because it's the inverse of minus. So to find the value of x, we have to add 12 to the other side. So x equals 17 plus 12. And what is 17 plus 12?
29.
29. Correct, little
Wrong!
girl. So x equals
It's 39.
29.
It's 39. It's 39.
So if you want to check, you can do this. What is the value? Okay, we can change this. 29.
29 minus 17.
29 minus 12 equals 17. So we're correct. So here, this is our last equation. So 3 times x equals 12. By the way, remember that if there's no sign in
Multiplication.
between, it's multiplication. So
Yeah,
this is
easy.
red 3x, but it's also 3 times x. So to
Yes.
find x, you should transpose 3.
Let go of
Because
your own X.
remember, we should
What the
eliminate
heck,
every number.
Anya?
Every number that is not
You
x.
exposed me.
So if we transpose 3 times times 3, it will become divided by 3. So we should divide 3 by 12 because we will transpose it. So here x equals 12 over 3. What is 12 times divided by 3? 4. So x equals 4. If you want to check it, it's like this. 3 wait. 3 times 4 equals 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12, which is correct. So it would look like a reflexive property. Okay, that's it guys. Goodbye.